So welcome students. In this question, you are given two statements. The first statement says that the variance of the first n even natural numbers is n square minus 1 by 4. The second statement is sigma n is equal to sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So obviously the second statement is true because it's a theoretical statement. You have these formulas in sequence and series. So this statement is true. So let us check the first statement. So variance of the first n even numbers. So the first n even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, so on up to 2n. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, so on up to 2 into n. See, these are the first n even natural numbers. So what is the variance of this? So what is the formula for variance? Variance is sigma xi square by n minus x bar square. So to find the variance, we need to find the sum of squares of all these readings and the mean square. So first let me find the mean of these numbers. Mean is nothing but the sum of all these numbers plus so on up to 2n divided by the total number of numbers n. That is equal to, so in the numerator you have n numbers which are in AP. So the sum is n by 2 times first term plus last term, that is 2n plus 2 by n. So this n and n gets cancelled. So 2 gets cancelled with 2. So 2 times n plus 1 by 2. So you have n plus 1. So the mean is n plus 1. Now let us find sigma xi square. Sigma xi square is nothing but 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus so on up to 2n whole square. So that is equal to, if you take a 4 as common, that is 2 square as common. So 2 square if you take common, you have 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to n square. So that is equal to 4 times, so 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. That is the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. You have n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So this is sigma xi square. So you want sigma xi square by n. So sigma xi square by n is equal to 2 by 3 times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. So 2 by 3 times. So sigma xi square by n minus x bar square. So the variance is equal to 2 by 3 times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 minus of x bar square n plus 1 whole square. That is equal to, if you take n plus 1 by 3 as common, n plus 1 by 3 as common, you have 4n plus 2, 4n plus 2 minus of 3n minus 3. That is equal to n plus 1 times n minus 1 by 3, that is equal to n square minus 1 by 3. Hence the variance of the first n even natural numbers is n square minus 1 by 3, not n square minus n by 4. So this statement is false. Thank you.